Hey guys, if you want to see how I got this look with my original Queen Beauty wig, then keep on watching. So this is the package that it came in. Again, this is from Original Clean Hair. It is their Brazilian virgin hair in 180 density, and it is in the length, I think, 18 inches. It also came with a wig cap. It had 2 caps in that packet, and this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. I was trying to show you what the lace looked like or what the nuts looked like, but I clearly was out of focus, so I apologize. But as you can tell, the lace is a nice lace, and the nuts, even though they weren't bleached, they weren't that dark. So if you decided not to bleach your nuts, you would be fine, at least in my opinion. But I did go ahead and bleach your nuts, and it was honestly a waste of time because I really didn't bleach your nuts properly. Because guys, I have not worn a wig in over a year, so it was rough. Like, I kind of forgot what I was doing, no lie. But anyway, in this clip I am just trimming my hair. The ends were not thin or raggedy at all. However, I just always clip my ends because it's just a habit. Like, I just like the look that I get. So I went ahead and I cut the ends, and I added some layers at the front to frame my face. Now I'm just adding some regular curls with my flat iron. I only use heat protectant in this on the wig. I don't really like using product because the more product you use, the faster you have to wash it. So I don't use anything, honestly. I might add like a hair serum or some type of shine at the ending, but usually most of the time I don't add anything to my wigs. So this is the next day. I have on one of those wig caps that came in the package, and this is what the wig looks like. I did slightly tweeze the hairline, but I did not do a good job. Again, I have not worn a wig in over a year. I kind of forgot what I was doing. Like, I was not doing it right, and eventually I just kind of gave up, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put this wig on and hope for the best. So that's what I did. So now I'm adding some powder, which is my face powder, so it's the same shade as my face, to my wig cap. I definitely needed a darker cap, or I needed to add some more brown powder to the cap so it could match my skin better, but I did not have that option, and honestly there was no way for me to go get another one. So this is what we're working with. I did add an elastic band to my wig, and now I'm going to use my Got To Be free spray to help lay my lace. So guys, I tried to install this wig before using glue, and it was a disaster. I tried to do the ball cap method and all that good stuff. It was a disaster. It looked horrible. Like I said, I have not worn a wig for so long. Like, I just did not know what the heck I was doing. So I had to take it out, wash it, and then do this with the Got To Be free spray. And honestly, I don't think I will be using glue again. This was just so easy, and I was able to take it off that night. So this is what I'm going to be doing from now on whenever I wear my wigs. So what I'm actually doing is kind of self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys look at the video while I talk, and I'm just going to give you my pros and cons of this wig if you were interested in buying it. So I'm going to go with the good news first. So I'm going to say all the pros first, and then I'll give you the cons. The pros would be that it was nice and full. Again, it was 180% density, so it should be full. It was nice and full. It did not have thin or raggedy ends. What else? It did hold a curl pretty nice. It was easy to flat iron and curl. What else? I did not experience any shedding apart from when I was tweezing the lace. I also did not experience a lot of short pieces. You know those like short hairs that you get in your closures and frontals at times? I did not get any of that. So there's that. I liked it. I didn't really have a lot. I did experience some tangling, but I think it was just from me doing a lot of movements and it snagging on my clothes and my necklace that I was wearing. I think that's why it had a little bit of tangling, but it really wasn't anything. It just had a little bit of snagging, but that was all the way to the back. But it would not deter me from purchasing the hair. So, cons. I think my only con was the actual space or the actual width of the lace. So I felt like it was a bit short and I needed some more frontal space. If I was able to get maybe like just an inch more, that would have been great, because it's supposed to be 4 inches, but it really didn't feel like it was 4 inches. It felt like 3 or like 3.5. Maybe if it was just a little bit bigger, then it would have been perfect. I would have no complaints whatsoever. But yeah, and when I take this elastic band on, you're gonna be able to see what I'm talking about if you haven't noticed before. So that was really my only complaint. The hair has a nice texture, no smell, no nothing. Do you see that small like lace space? Like literally that is it. That is all of it. And I felt like it was a bit short. So that was a con for me. It might not be for someone else, but I tend to like a deep part, or just, it doesn't even have to be like a super deep part, but definitely deeper than this. So if you're interested in buying this wig, please be mindful of this. Like I said, I did not tweeze the front of my lace a lot, so therefore I did not cut off any extra hair or anything like that. This is what it looks like. So if you're interested, please be mindful. But other than that, the hair is a nice texture. It is nice and full all the way from the roots to the ends. No problems with curling or flat ironing. No problems with these short pieces in the front. As you can tell, it has like a nice luster to it. So there's that. So if you have any questions about any other specifics that I have not mentioned in this video, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer those questions if I know the answer to them. But yeah, that is my complete thoughts on this hair. But I really like it though. It looks nice and it gave me like a nice natural type of look. So now I'm done laying my edges and my baby hairs, and I'm talking my head off as usual. And my best friend was taking pictures of me, screenshots, because I was cute. And I'm adding more layers because I really wanted like that natural super layered look. So I just kept adding layers until I was satisfied. And again, if you have trouble with layers, I suggest using a razor comb instead of shears, because I know it can be tricky and I know a lot of people are afraid to use scissors to cut layers, because like what if you cut too much, right? But always remember, rule of thumb, when you're cutting, you can always cut more off but you can't add the hair back on. So always start off cutting too little, and then you could always add some more, you know what I mean? And I'm just adding some more curls to the front, and I'm curling backwards, like you guys can see what I am doing, right? And I'm using a hot comb to flatten my lace, because this is what the girls be doing on YouTube. Because I truly had to go watch some videos to remember what I needed to do, because I forgot. I really forgot. I've been wearing my natural hair and braids for the past year and some change, and I just forgot. But anyway, this is my finished product. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.